some meal money. Prada bag and heel money. See my ex, he still love me. You nigga gon' kill for me. All my chains got diamonds in it. My accounts got commas in it. Damn daddy, you fine as hell. I hope your wallet got condoms in it. I'm up, she mad. I'm first, she last. Rob who, take what? Click clack, ski mask. I'm a boss in the skirt. I'm a dog, I'm a flirt. Write a verse while I twerk. I wear off white at church. Probably make the preacher sweat. Read the Bible, Jesus wept. Bitch said that she gon' try me. How come I ain't seen it yet? Gave it to him so good that his eyes rolled back.
Alright, y'all, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another one. Shout out to this consistency, you know. I'm trying to get more videos up and be more consistent. So yeah, first we are going to prime our eyelids as usual, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty concealer. And I guess I forgot how quickly this concealer sets. Like, you have to move so fast. So on one of them you'll see that it's set before I could like blend it out good enough, but it's okay. And I think it was this eye. Yep. So I'm just gonna put some more over it just to make it more even. So I'm going to take this contour palette by Black Radiance, and I'm going to take the Sculpt shade, and I'm going to just use that as my transition shade. And I'm just taking a fluffy brush. I don't know the names of none of my brushes, y'all, so I apologize. But I'm just going to use that as my transition. Now I'm taking that, well, it skipped it, but I put that in my crease, and I took another brush just to blend it into the transition shade. And now I'm going back into the transition shade to blend out the edges so that it has a nice seamless look. You know, you want your not foundation, well, that too, but you want your eyeshadow to be as seamless as possible. And I didn't show what color it was, but I just took a really, really dark brown, almost like a black, and I just put that directly into my my crease, just to add some depth and some definition, so it's not so plain. So I'm just blending that, and I really loved how this look came out, y'all. Like, super lit. So I'm just going to blend that in some more. And I'm getting better and better at eyeshadow looks. I don't like to wear eyeshadow, but I mean, for my YouTube, obviously, I need more content, and I know how to do it. I just don't like to wear it. Like, I wouldn't wear this out. I probably wouldn't even wear this out like at night to the club or something like that. I just don't like eyeshadow. So now I'm taking this flat brush, and I'm going to cut my crease using the same Fenty concealer. And y'all, I did not know that I wasn't in the camera, so I apologize, but I do have a couple more videos on my channel of me cutting the crease where it's in there. So if you guys would like to see how I cut my crease, then go check those out. And if you would like to see a more in-depth video on how to cut your crease, let me know as well. But now I'm taking that green shade that I just showed you, and I'm putting that in the middle of my eyelid. And I kind of wasn't in the camera for this either, but in a minute you'll be able to see what I did. Just putting that directly in the middle, not all the way towards the end and not all the way in the inner corner, just in the middle of it, because we are going to make an ombre effect with different greens. So just in the middle, guys. And of course, I did my brows off camera. I do have a video on how to do my brows that's very in-depth. If you guys would like to check that out, it will be in the description box below. Now I'm taking the same shade that was in the crease and transition area, and I'm putting that towards the end, and I'm mixing it with that dark brown. And we're just gonna blend that really, really nicely, because it's a cut crease, but not a full cut crease. It's a half cut crease. And I'm taking the same brush that I used the shade, the shimmering shade, just to blend it out, because you want it as seamless as possible, y'all. Now I'm taking this money green shimmery color. I love this color. It looks just like money. But that's going to go in the inner corner of our cut crease. And I cut my cut crease all the way down to my tear duct because I like to apply color there. And the concealer being there just makes the color stand out more. So that's why I go all the way to my cut crease. Well, to my tear duct. But if you're having problems with your cut crease, then I will make a video for that. So just let me know. You guys have to give me suggestions. But I used to be scared of cut creases, but I started doing them not too long ago, and it's just super, super easy. But I'm just packing these shades on so I can get a nice pigmented look. Now I'm taking this angled brush. I do not know where my black liner is, my black liquid liner. I cannot find it. So what I've been doing is taking an angled brush and using a matte black shadow and using that as eyeliner, and it works. But right now I'm just putting it on the outer corners again to add more depth than we already have. And I'm just going to blend that in as best as possible. So here's what you see me doing, what I just explained, taking the angled brush and the matte black shadow, and I'm just going to create a wing look. And it actually wasn't a wing. It was like a winged out, I can't explain it, but you guys will see what I'm talking about. It was a wing, but there was no sharp edge at the end because it was all blended into the shadow. And I love how it came out. So I'm just making sure everything is blended. So now I'm taking this Smashbox highlighter, and I'm just going to take this rose gold shade, and I'm going to apply that into my inner tear duct because I actually decided that I wanted a lighter shade. Also highlighting my brow bone, even though it's basically covered with shadow, I just still wanted it there. So it just added a nice pop to the whole look because it was already lit. But now I'm applying my lashes off camera, and y'all, if y'all want an in-depth lash tutorial how to apply your false lashes, please let me know. But now I'm blending in my regular lashes with the falsies, and I'm using this bigger lash mascara, and I think it was by L'Oreal or it said Maybelline, I'm not sure. But now I've already applied my foundation and everything and done my foundation routine. I have a specific video on that as well. And even though I do have videos with stuff like that, and I normally try to cut it out to make the video not as long, let me know if you guys want all of it in one video all the time. But now I'm taking that same shade and I'm just applying it to the bottom. Then I'm going to take the same dark brown shade from the beginning and apply that as well. And you guys, we only used, I think, about 6 shadows for this whole look. So this is super easy to do and very, very beginner friendly. Anybody can do this, honestly. Now I'm applying bottom mascara to my lashes, of course. Sometimes I forget to do this. I don't know how because my face looks so weird without it. Sometimes I don't like to wear bottom mascara when I'm not wearing eyeshadow. Or if I do a wing liner with no eyeshadow and just lashes, I won't put on bottom mascara. But I just like the way it looks. This shadow made my eyes really, really pop. Like, look how light brown my eyes are. But I'm just making sure everything is blended. You cannot blend too much, y'all. Always remember that. You can never over blend. So this look was super fun and easy. I loved how the eyes came out. So now it's time for the lips. I've lined my lips with a regular brown liner, and I'm taking this Kylie Jenner lip gloss. I've had this for about 3 years, and I lose it every once in a while, and that's why it's still full. But this is in the shade, literally it's a nude gloss, and it's very, very full coverage. This is a really deep nude color. But I'm applying that to the lip. I love a glossy nude. Like when I can't think of a lip to do, I just go for that. And I'm just retouching up the liner to add some definition to my lips, you know. So it's not just plain nude. Because like I said, that gloss is really full coverage. Now I'm taking this pink by Revlon. This is in the shade Sky Pink. And I'm just going to apply that into the middle of my lips. And it really didn't make a difference all that much, but whatever. I like to think it does. And I'm just making sure everything is blended out. And you guys, I love how this look came out. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in. I have so many more videos to come. And I love y'all who support me. I do. Make sure you like this video, comment. Make sure you are subscribed. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss anything. And let me know what you guys want to see. And I'm going to keep coming back with more and more and more videos. Okay. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.